Today we are doing 2-port laparoscopic orchidectomy in cat. This is a male cat which got urethral plug, and after that we relieved that, and now today we are doing a laparoscopic cryptorchid surgery. This is only a 2-port surgery with 0.5 centimeter of hole into the abdomen, and with that we are going to do the surgery by harmonic scalpel. 2 holes at the lower part of the umbilicus on the lateral sides. One is here and one is here. So with this we are going to pass the port. Okay. Stop. Pass the carbon dioxide into the abdomen by passing the versus needle. So now we are insufflating abdomen with CO2. So we have inserted 0.5 mm trocar, and now we are going to put the second incision on the other side. So once the CO2 goes inside, it becomes more easy to put trocar inside. That's the second incision. With this second incision, we are going to put the second trocar inside. That's the second trocar placement. We have done both the trocar placement now. And we are going to pass camera of 2.7 centimeter into the abdomen. So we are going to pass 2.7 mm camera, 0-degree angle into abdomen. So that's the testicle, undescended testicle. You can see it here. So this is the second testicle. You can see the spermatic part. And this is the harmonic scalpel. We are going to insert to the other part of the port and going to take out the.